so excited about the initial spectrum stain that just came out. Why do I excited? And this is high opacity, which is you never seen before. Black and a density, which is great. Okay, so this one will be my favorite. Pink too. This is orange. This one too. And especially this. And then I create it just like that. So whenever I do have a repair cases, and doctor sent the case here, so we print it. And then I notice that this area is high opacity because of an implant. So I'm trying to decrease the value. Then I can use this SPS 1. And I decrease it and fire about 780 Celsius, and then create it about the lower value here. Okay, so the other case is same thing. I have to create the high value. Then you see the white calcifications here, and then here is okay, but here's we need to touch up. Same thing, so I have to using this, and then apply together, and then we can do with all these new products. They have a glazing liquid and all powder just like that, pre-set up. So now I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you two crown. What does it look like that? Let me show you here. Same thing. Did you remember? So I said here, so we have to decrease the value. So we decrease it. So now I have to apply slightly more different translucency, and then I could match that color. Okay. Now the other one is this, and right there right now. And then I like that this is subtle orangish, gray, white. This. So we create it. Now it's good to go. This case. Okay. So this is spectrum. Stains. You should have to order it. That's great product. Thank you.